students, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we will continue our topic prepositions. So first we will know about how to use in. Let's get started. At is used with the name of small town and at or in to denote place. Okay, so let's see. At is used for at is used with the name at is used with the name of small town and villages. Okay. At is used with the name of small towns and villages. And second, in is used with names of big cities and countries. Okay. So we will use at or in as a preposition to denote place. At is used with the name of small towns and villages. In is used with names of big cities and countries. Now we will see examples. Examples. At Kartarpur. He lives at Kartarpur. Okay. So in this sentence, this is preposition, and this is also showing a relation between pronoun and noun. Okay, and here also showing a place. Okay, at Kartarpur, this is the name of village. Okay. In Kolkata. So in this second example, you can watch Kolkata is the name of big cities. So that's why here used of in. Okay. So she lives in Kolkata. This is the name of big cities. Okay. So that's why we are using in. Okay. Now we will know about at, in, on to denote time. Before this, at, in, on, to denote time. Before this we read about place, now we will know about time. Okay. So first, at used for a point of time, such as at is used for a point of time. Point of time, such as get up at 7 o'clock. Okay, what we are reading? We are reading about at, in, on to denote time. Before this we read about place. Okay, now we'll know about this. At is used for a point of time, such as I get up 7 o'clock. So in this sentence we can see, in this sentence showing point of time means I get up 7 o'clock. Okay, so in this sentence showing point of time, I get up 7 o'clock means I get up only 7 o'clock. So here is showing point of time 7 o'clock. So at is used for a point of time. So where in this sentence where is showing point of time, you can see in this sentence I get up 7 o'clock. It means there is showing point of time. There is showing point of time means I get up only 7 o'clock. Okay. Second is in. In is used for a period of time. In is used for a period of time, and at is used for a point of time, such as I get up 7 o'clock means 7 o'clock is showing point of time, and in is used for period of time. Period of time. Okay, in is used for period of time, such as he reads in the morning. Means in this sentence showing period of time. What is period? Morning. Okay, so what we read today? We are reading in is used for period of time, such as he reads in the morning. Okay, so in this sentence we show period of time, like he reads in the morning. So morning is morning. Okay, this is our period of time. On is used for a particular day or date. Okay, on is used for day or date, such as samples. They won the match on Monday. So what we read about on, in, to denote time, Okay, so on is used for a particular day or days, such as they won the match on Monday. So here a particular day. Here in this sentence showing a particular date, particular day on Monday means on Monday. In this sentence showing particular day. They won the match. They won the match on Monday. Okay, means particular day. So first, at we read about at is used with a point of time. Okay, like say I get up 7 o'clock. So I get up 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock is showing point of time, and it is used for a period of times such as he reads in the morning. He reads in the morning. In the morning, this showing a period of time that he reads in the morning. And third, or on is used for a particular day or date, such as he won the match on Monday. He won the match on Monday. On Monday is showing a particular day. Okay, so let's move on next.